Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some very important kitchen tips that I want to share with you. If you're new here, I am all about making your life easier and enjoyable. So these are tried and true tips that I use in my own kitchen. If you have any kitchen tips that you would like to share, please put them in the comments below. We would love to hear them. And if this video stops you from doing one of those dangerous things in your kitchen, then I have done my job. So let's begin with cooking. When you're cooking something on the stove and you need to walk away for just a moment, turn the burner off. Do not leave it on. If it's just a quick moment, you'd be surprised how many fires are started by leaving the stove on and walking away. When you're cooking with oil, if you hear it making a weird noise, it's time to get out of the kitchen. If the oil starts smoking or making a weird noise, it can ignite. You want to get out of there quickly and open all the windows and doors to ventilate your kitchen. When you're cooking with gas, never leave a pot or pan unattended that has a little bit of water in it. The water can boil and then it can overflow and create a big mess and possibly burn you. If you're going to be cleaning while you're cooking, make sure you use pot holders. It doesn't matter if it's just a quick second that you're going to be cleaning. You could really hurt yourself. This next tip is a good one when you're making breakfast. If you're making eggs and you don't want them to stick, add a little bit of oil or butter to the pan, and then crack your eggs directly into that oil or butter. That will prevent the eggs from sticking. A really good tip when it comes to frying an egg is to put a lid on top of your pan. This will help cook the egg faster, and it will also help to keep it from sticking. When you're cooking meat, always use a meat thermometer to make sure that it's cooked to the right temperature. Don't just guess, use a meat thermometer. This next tip is one that I use all the time. If you need to cut something very thin, like for pie or anything like that, put your knife in the freezer for about 10 minutes before you cut. The cold will help you make that cut very easily. If you're making a sandwich and you don't have a knife, use your pizza cutter. It will make cutting your sandwich so much easier. When you're defrosting something in the microwave, make sure you put it in a microwave-safe bowl. Don't put it directly on the plate. Put it in a bowl. My next tip has to do with cleaning. When you're cleaning out your fridge, anything that you're going to throw away, put it in a garbage bag. This will prevent any smells from lingering in your fridge. When you're making a salad and you have all these different vegetables, put your salad dressing in a Ziploc bag. Then put your veggies in there, seal it up, and shake it. This will evenly distribute the salad dressing and make your salad so much better. I hope you enjoyed these kitchen tips. Please let me know if you have some more to share. I would love to hear them. And I will see you in the next one.